2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.